Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to show you method to earn over $600 from creating content on TikTok. Yes, you hear good. You can earn money creating content on your TikTok. How to do this? I will show you in the seconds. But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video. If you want to earn $600 from creating content on TikTok, you need to go to page Peer Pop, and on this website you can join to the challenge. Like you see, here is a couple of challenge. Here is one of the challenge. What is the biggest value? Is over $600, and you can earn money creating content and joining to this challenge. So, how to join? First, you need to create account on this platform. Second, you need to join to this challenge. So you need to accept challenge. What do you need to do? Use this sound, follow the create inspiration and get views to earn 680 USD dollars. So here you have timeline, and depends how many views you get from your TikTok video, you get some salary. For example, for 500 views, you get $10, 2,000, $20, 10,000, 100, and 5,000 viewers, you get $500. Here's how many money left in the pool, so how many you can earn. So like you see, they give away over $9,000. So a lot of people, some over this timeline. We see there is 99 submissions, so you can go here and check what people created. So you can play button and go to TikTok and looks how they doing this. And here we have challenge details. So using the brand new song from the Sync 2, create a video of yourself doing the choreography showing in the cover video. Have fun with it and show your moves. And here is more details. Like you see, here is caption, some options, hashtag requirements, what we need to put to this video on your TikTok. And this is available only for USA, UK, Australia, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Italy, Spain, Germany, France, Netherlands, and Japan. So not all countries, but this country are allowed to this challenge. This challenge is few, but this challenge is available only for these countries. So 2 steps: create video using your sounds and trend showing in this video. So you have info, enter your published link here so we can track your progress, and that's all. Download music, create content, post on your TikTok, join to this challenge, and join money when you will have some viewers and grab some money from this. This is one of this challenge what is on this platform at the moment. This is high value. If we back to old challenge, you will see it's couple of this challenge, so you can join to every challenge. So here's 680. Here we have over 500 in this challenge, so we can go inside and check how it look. So something similar. So you have timelines, you have pool, you have challenge details. So this is only USA, Canada only. We can go to another over 500. So what we have here, this is to only for US creators only. So we can check this. This is lower than $100 per challenge. So like you see in description, this is not required to any country, so our country can join to this challenge. So like you see, this challenge is couple 500 here, 300, 500. So pool at the moment is 3,000. So you can grab a little pie from this pool and enjoy your money when you're creating 20 seconds movies on the TikToks. So I think if this web page will be grow, on this page you can find more challenges like this. Of course, you can create your own challenge and grow your channel on TikTok. Everything depends of you. If you want to only join to the challenge, or you can create challenge and grow your channel. So you can choose. Let me know in comments if you joined to some challenge from this platform, and if you earned money, and share with our community your salary from these challenges.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.